I'm going to do a video on connecting up AC wiring to one of our relay channels, one of our output relay wiring. What I've done here is set up a couple of wires onto the channel 15. So channels 1 through 9 are the first card, 9 through 16, 17 to 24, and so on. So in this case, this would be 15, this one would be 16. The first two terminals on that set of 4 is going to be for channel 15. And the first terminal on the top is going to be the one for the hot wire, or the L1 in this case, coming from the electrical panel. So usually that's not going to be jumped to another one on fans or that type of devices that draw a fair amount of current. You'll have separate breakers for each one. That also helps you to have devices continuing to operate even if you blow a breaker on just one. The appropriate wiring and stripping, we do about a 5/16 strip on the jacket, similar to like that, and then screwing them tight onto underneath each of these terminals. And so the first one needs to be the one from the panel. The second one will be the switched hot, or L1 in this case, going out to the fan itself. The same thing would be true if this wasn't a relay channel. If 15 and 16 were a variable speed single phase type circuit, and we do have those variations in Ventra Pros, the power from the panel again would go to the first terminal, and the switched power going out to the fan would be on the second. So follow National Electrical Code and make sure things are turned off and locked out when you're working on high voltage devices.